What's up, guys? Just want to give you guys a real quick update. It's been about 2 weeks since I took the valve covers over to the paint shop. Haven't heard back from them yet, unfortunately. But in the meantime, I did go ahead and get the new intake that I bought. I got it installed, and I also got the new master cylinder installed, along with the steering wheel. So that's going to be the short video that I'm going to bring to you today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm hoping to get these valve covers in before hoping to get them in before next Saturday, because we have a car show coming up and I would love to take it and get it finished and get it taken there, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff installed and take you through the process. And if you like today's video, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We got a whole lot more content, and trying to get a few more cameras, a few more stands, keep everything not shaky, and hopefully be able to show you guys what I do when I install the stuff, because I know unfortunately I'm not showing you what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to do with a camera and no extra set of hands. But anyways, enough of that. Here's the video. Y'all have a good one. Alright, let's go ahead and get my new steering wheel put in there. Got that S15 straight from Japan. Now this is pretty much a straightforward task. All you gotta do, have you one of these safety T50s. It's gonna have the little thing out in it, a little hole to get up into that bolt. You'll have two of these bolts right here that hold your airbag on, and that's pretty much all that holds it in there. You do have one in the center, so let's go ahead and get this off first, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, now once you got those off, let's see here. This is going to come off. You want to gently pull it because it should have a plug inside there. I'm not going to be able to do it with one hand, I don't believe. We can try here. Yeah, okay, so see, you got your plug there that we'll have to unplug, and then right here in the center you're going to have a nut that holds it on. Let me go figure out what size that is, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got a 19 millimeter to fit on there. So let's go ahead and get that off. Now when you take this off, you want to be careful of your clock spring. Don't turn the wheel any. When you're pulling it off, be very careful. You got a clock spring back there. You don't want to turn that at all. So let's go ahead and get that off, and then I'll talk to you some more about it. Alright, so then once I got that off, you have this little plug on the inside. It's plugged to your clock spring. This is what you don't want to turn, at least not too far if you don't have to. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to take a look on the inside of this. That plug seems to be going to the little controls over here on the steering wheel. I don't have those on this new steering wheel, so we'll probably just have to tuck that away. We do have the airbag, the little airbag connector right there. I think that should fit. I'm going to try to connect it. If it don't, we just won't have an airbag, and we'll die like real men. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this back on there. Alright, and interestingly enough, the horn hooks right back up like it was nothing. I didn't have to do any kind of modifications. I did have to turn the clock spring just a little bit to the left. You'll see a little block up on this. If you remember, if you scroll back on the video, you'll see a little block with the wires. That was on the side on the stock wheel, and now it's on the bottom. I went ahead and hooked the horn up. So now I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put the airbag back in, hook it back up. You'll have these two bolts. Now the one that came with it, they were not T50s. I don't know exactly. They were a little bit smaller. So I'll have to go to work and see if I can get the correct size safety torque bit, and I'll let y'all know at the end of the video what size that was. But I'm gonna go ahead and test fit it right now, and so far it's looking pretty good. So let's get this back on there. Alright, so we got that back in there. After a further review, it looks like it actually doesn't have an airbag inflator. I'm not 100% sure if you can take the one off the old one. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to be living that dangerous. But like I said, the one that came with it is just going to be a little bit smaller bolts. They'll bolt up on the side in the normal location, and that little hole right there, and then you have another one on the other side. Once you get that safety torque bit, you just tighten them on down. I tightened the center bolt with an impact gun. I did it pretty tight to where it wouldn't move. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. Man, I tell you, I love these steering wheels. They look so much better, and it matches my little shift knob there. But yeah, so let's get on to the next project. We got that finished, looking so good.